Hello, dear students. Today we are going to talk about suffix. This is Miss Gladys Machado. According to the theory, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters attached to the end of a word to form a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. This conceptual map is to just give you the idea of what a suffix is. In the next video, we are going to have a practice about how to make the suffixes. Thank you very much. If you have any question, don't forget that you can write to glatino5@hotmail.com. Bye-bye.